Okay, here we have the Timelink model 88192. Now this comes in black, white, blue, and pink. Easy to read time display, simple setting controls. It does have a smart light for night viewing, soft texture rubber case, alarm and snooze, and it does have a bright backlight on demand. Very nice. This clock does have a couple special features which I like. Let me stop the carousel. Back it up. I'm going to kill the lights. There's that sensor in the dark. So all I really got to do is put my hand over it. There we go. In the pitch black, this clock will glow. 2 AA batteries to make this clock work. Pocket or purse, it makes a nice travel clock. I do like the colors. And it does have a 3-stage ascending alarm. And this little clock packs quite a punch. I think you'll be surprised when you hear it in a moment. Quality by Timelink.